Hey Beautyistic family! Imagine stepping into your day knowing your grooming is on point, sharp, and effortless. Today, I have something a little different to explore, a men's grooming essential, the ConairMAN Beard Trimmer for men. This kit includes a corded beard and mustache trimmer, nose and ear hair trimmer, plus a 5-position comb attachment. It's designed to keep facial hair neat, precise, and manageable without the hassle of batteries or charging. So here's what's inside the kit. The main corded trimmer with a stainless steel removable blade for easy cleaning, 3 all-purpose combs including 2 for jawline detailing and 1 adjustable 5-position comb, plus a nose and ear trimmer. It's a straightforward setup, focused on giving a clean, consistent trim. The corded design means no waiting for a battery to charge, and stainless steel blades promise durability and hygiene. Now, since this is a men's grooming tool, my husband helped me test it. We put it through a variety of trims, everything from full beard maintenance to precise jawline shaping, and even tackling those pesky nose hairs. Right away, the trimmer felt solid in hand, easy to maneuver, and offered surprisingly precise control. The adjustable comb made it easy to customize beard length without any guesswork. The nose and ear trimmer was gentle, effective, and didn't pull at the hairs. A must-have for comfortable grooming. What really stands out is its usability. It's simple to switch attachments, easy to rinse underwater thanks to the removable blade, and because it's corded, there's no downtime or power anxiety. On the downside, the cord does limit mobility a bit, so if you like trimming on the go or away from an outlet, this might be a small inconvenience. Also, while it's great for basic trimming and styling, if someone is looking for ultra-fine detailing or professional barber-level precision, it might feel a bit basic. The pros? Durable stainless steel blade, multiple comb attachments for versatility, easy cleaning, and reliable corded power. The cons? Limited mobility due to the cord, and it's best suited for standard trims rather than advanced styling. In terms of value, it's competitively priced for a kit that includes both a beard trimmer and a nose-ear trimmer. The build quality feels solid, and the stainless steel blade suggests longevity. Compared to other men's trimmers in the same price range, ConairMAN delivers solid performance without the premium price tag of some high-end electric shavers. We didn't have to reach out to customer support, but Conair generally has a good reputation for handling inquiries. For those looking for budget-friendly alternatives, there are simpler corded trimmers, but few offer this combination of attachments and stainless steel blades at this price point. So what's the final take? If you want a reliable, all-in-one grooming kit that covers the basics with precision and durability, the ConairMAN Beard Trimmer does exactly that. It's ideal for men who want clean, consistent trims at home without fuss. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, the link to purchase the ConairMAN Beard Trimmer is in the comments and description box. If you've tried it, drop a comment below and let us know your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.